What's up, YouTube? Ever Blessed Family TV is back at you again.
While the Akino, baby, the isle upon the shelf. Do not burn up yourself.
Yo. I am a foodie, and I'm.
Yes, we are all blessing family. Like, subscribe, and share.
My people, my ever blessed people. It's an ever blessed Sunday, or it's a fabulous Sunday, and I am here representing for this beautiful country called Jamaica. And today we're back at Old Harbour, and this is the toll road, guys. Coming from Maple Mandeville, go that way, Kingston, and this way, take it to Old Harbour. I never bless people. I start this video from this point for a number of reasons. So they have this, as you see, coming from that way, you exit Old Harbour, and we're walking, and while we walk, we talk. I never bless people. Today, it's a beautiful day for me, a day which I will always go and want to remember, and for more than one reasons. Today, guys, I have some interesting persons to introduce you to. Number one, Jamaican Uncle is gonna be on my camera today. Can you believe it, guys? For the past 3 months, I've been saying this every day. Want to link up with Jamaican Uncle. Jamaican Uncle is a Jamaican, lives in US, travel to Africa, to link up with who? My inspirator, IAM MARWA. And IAM MARWA is my general. IAM MARWA has inspired Ever Blessed to be Ever Blessed family today, which I am grateful. So, family, just like how Jamaican Uncle go and link up with IAM MARWA, I say more link up with Ever Blessed family today. And oh, I am so grateful. That man that is called Jamaican Uncle, I know he has no idea how important this link up is gonna be to me. So my Jamaican Uncle fan, our followers, I'm gonna ask you to check out Ever Blessed. Whoa, Jamaican Uncle got up on my channel today. And not just Jamaican Uncle, I'm gonna also link up with Dream Island family, or Dream Island TV. I wish I them maybe a TV or a family. Well, one of them, you never see him. You already see him on my camera, but today is gonna be another day. Also, you're gonna meet up with Ivan and Whitney's Kitchen. And I might get a glimpse of a Cameron family. Cameron say, oh, Ever Blessed, I'm gonna be so busy today because I'm preparing for my August 1 event. So it's preparing the HQ. And Ever Blessed family don't have no problem with that, because him already link up with me and give me him blessing, ask his people to support me. And ever blessed people. It is. Jamaica Uncle, you're here quick. Hey, family.
Hey, bro.
While I vlog, Jamaica Uncle is in the house. Let me see this man here.
What go on, man?
Hey,
Yes,
me
man.
just a talk about you.
You just talk about me?
Yes, man. I'm doing my introduction. Can I? You have somebody inside there?
Yeah, man. I mean,
That's my ride here. Can I ride with you?
Yeah, man.
Yes,
Come
man.
on.
Hey, my people.
Yeah, man.
I just said to my people, you have no idea who I'm gonna. This man have no idea where am I doing for me today.
Yeah, man.
You see them man there?
Yeah.
You know my one ride with him, you know?
Yeah, good man.
I am my killing the backside view, you know? Jamaican Uncle, this is Olaba. You go right. The red truck. I write it up over to your left.
Go to the left.
Go look to your yes. Somebody write up every family.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, man. I meet up the man. This is the man.
Jamaican Uncle.
I'm going to see. You remember I tell you I'm going to make that special man today.
Yeah. And I am here. Cheese up is my friend. You know, see me people. Me just tell me people say Jamaican Uncle don't have an idea what am I doing for me today.
You say me have to go and do it, man.
Hey,
We have to do it.
am I as excited as you were expecting to?
The thing is that I put myself out of way of conduct. Look at my foot.
Man,
I fell off the ladder. You see?
I watched the video and I want to give you a beating, bro. You were moving too fast.
Too fast, man.
Yeah.
But I said, I don't care how much pain I'm going through,
Yes.
what the trouble I'm going through.
Yeah.
I have to come and meet this man.
We call it team. We say team hour.
Yeah, man. Team MARWA, man. I have to support him.
Team hour.
Yeah, man.
Everywhere,
And
every
I
day.
tell you, this is Jamaican Uncle, and
Yeah.
please, I want you to go. You know, you guys always support me.
Yes.
Go and subscribe to this man. I want him to reach the road of success.
Yes, man. That's our job.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. So subscribe to this channel
Yes.
as much as you can.
Yes.
As
Help me
much
get
as you
there.
can. Yeah, man. I want him to get there.
Yes.
Yeah, man.
And this is the road to Old Harbour Bay.
Yes.
So would you like to visit the fishing village before we meet up with
no, your response on me. So you know what is.
I would like to see this. I would like your people to see the fishing village.
No problem, man.
So we just take a circle, go straight. We're going straight. We take a little circle, you take a look at the fishing village, then we meet up with Cameron.
No problem.
Jamaican Uncle.
Yeah, man.
Cameron family might be just a little bit too busy for us today.
No problem.
Reason being, he's preparing for August 1.
I was watching you.
Yes. So he told me that everybody, I'm gonna be busy today, but you have Dream Island TV.
Yes.
And you have Ivan and Witness Kitchen.
Yes.
Nice people.
Okay.
And I'm not too sure. I think there are some brothers,
Yes.
uncle, and I'm not too sure. I need to do the research on the
No
family.
problem,
I think it's father and son,
Yes.
Cameron and Dream Island.
Yes.
But they're nice people.
Yes. Remember you was showing the police station?
I was doing the promotion for Cameron family when I did that.
Yes, I was watching it. I watch it, man. I watch it to the end. Trust me.
Uncle, I know that no way at all
Yes.
ever blessed could reach anywhere without people.
Achoo, man. Achoo.
So I think it's this right turn here.
Okay.
And this one? Yes, this right turn here.
Okay.
Carry into the fishing village, yes.
Okay.
Yes, so we're just gonna show your people
Yes.
how this here look. This is one of the biggest fishing village in Jamaica, I think. Yes.
Okay.
Yes. So yes, welcome to Old Harbour Bay, Jamaican Uncle people.
Thank you, man. Thank you.
So we can just park and we just do one little walking and then come back.
Okay. Anywhere you can park here?
I think so. No man, what is that?
Okay.
Fishing village and the people
Why
buy
not
fish.
I want them fish to sell, so they're not going to destroy.
Alright, let's go.
Yeah, man. Boy, I'm sorry, I'm not come. Can't put on my good shoes and.
Uncle, no worry yourself, you're Jamaican. Not today. We just gonna if you want to promote your business, I can do that. Let me tell you.
People just not fight for me to come.
Uncle,
If my family didn't see me panel,
appreciate you, uncle.
Yeah, man.
good evening. If my family didn't see me, they must have come back to support Jamaica.
Yes, suffer.
Why? No,
Look at you. Are you breathing?
No.
Are you breathing? You're not breathing.
What do you mean breathing?
you're doing well, man.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, that is how. That is
Yeah,
how.
man, you're doing
That is.
well.
See how your hat gone there.
I'm not on fire.
You not come fire. You Asian? All right. We're going. We're going to take a look. We're going to take a little walk around just for a minute. Ever bless people, and how much I was talking about how much I appreciate Jamaica Uncle. Jamaica Uncle has damages.
Yeah, man,
foot,
I've damaged my
guys.
foot, man. You see my foot here?
See,
Yeah, man.
and out of that, you still take the time and travel.
Yes, I see.
You travel how many miles to be here?
Man, I hold for miles.
Whole heap of miles,
Whole
I
heap of
know,
miles,
because
man. I'm coming all the way from St. Louis.
from St. Elizabeth to
Yeah,
be
man.
here and a joke,
Yeah, man.
and a joke thing.
Yeah, man.
So,
I promise you something, and Jamaica Uncle, as I tell you, whenever Jamaica Uncle promise somebody something,
yes,
Jamaica Uncle gonna get it done.
appreciate you.
And this man here, he did a lot for me. He did a lot.
Yes,
So I say, don't care what problem I have here.
yes,
I have to come and meet with him
yes,
and give him a shout out.
yes.
And please, my supporters, go and subscribe to him right now.
And I would appreciate it.
Yeah, man.
Yes,
Right now, because I want him to get him subscription
yes,
that he can get his
yes,
monetization.
yes,
If before he leave,
yeah,
if before he leave
yes.
Jamaica, I would
Yes.
love that to happen.
Yes, and,
Yeah, man.
and Uncle, I'm gonna also make you a promise.
Yes,
That
yes.
the person that subscribed to me, and as long as they are a YouTuber,
Yes.
I will return subscription right away.
I'm
We're
going to
not,
give you that promise.
we're not playing.
No, no plane.
Anyone subscribe to me, and
Yes.
as long as they're a YouTuber,
Yes, yes.
the button I touch.
And if you notice, even one more time I'm doing my premium, I put in the box, so everybody must put in
Yes.
their YouTube channel,
Yes.
that we can subscribe to each
And I
other.
always right. Let's
Yes.
subscribe to each other and
Yes,
grow
yes,
together.
yes, that's how we should do.
Because one man can't.
No,
do it.
can't do it. Can't do it.
We are like entertainers.
Yeah,
guys.
man, yeah, man.
We are entertainers. We are
One man
like
can't do it.
musicians. We go out and we perform. So right now we are
Exactly,
performing. We
Of
are
course,
working
of
right
course,
now.
of course.
So let us take a look at the fishing
Okay,
village that we
let's
talk about. This is Ola Bay.
Okay, okay.
And if you notice way out there, they have these concrete barriers. They put
okay.
those there to break the water from damage the whole entire area here.
I was watching it the last time on your channel
We
also.
were watching it on the other side.
Oh, the other side.
That was
Oh, okay.
my Cameron side,
Okay,
not this
okay.
side. So we just going just a showcase this little part.
Yes, yes,
So
yes.
ever bless people,
Yes.
Jamaica Uncle people.
Yeah, man.
When you see all our be a fishing village, and
So
so
nice, man.
and when me telling them, say Jamaica Uncle ended up on my camera today. See me?
Yeah, man. Me there, man. Live and direct.
Yes.
See ya? Live and direct.
So Jamaica Uncle.
Yeah, man.
The question we want to ask you, how much year you spend at US?
We spent too much years, man. Too much. Too much. Me should not there Jamaica back long time. Remember,
so you
me
could-
27-year-old now, you know.
So you couldn't, you go and come back and not even little accent. You know, you Miss Lou did say.
No, sir.
Miss Lou.
Me no give nothing now when me get.
Jesus.
Me back after 1989 me did there, you know.
Yes.
Find them the time in
Yes.
America. And me no give them not even one little bit height, you know.
No little to one.
No.
Miss Lou, you couldn't record Miss Lou. Miss Lou said, you come back here and see when not even little to
Yeah,
one.
yeah.
That mean,
Me know say some of them don't like it, but that's how me born.
real is real.
And that's how me going dead same way.
Real is real.
Yeah, me
Jamaica
can't make it better. It's
Real
like
is
Jamaican
real.
Uncle.
Appreciate
Every
you.
time, no sometime. Every time.
Appreciate you.
This is Jamaican Uncle.
My ever blessed people, you guys have been supporting me, and I have no complaint. You see the man, you see, like how him tell him people himself he can check me. I someone want to check him out.
Yeah, man. Thank you.
I mean, some loyal people will always a watch
Yes,
and
yes.
always a leave comments.
Yes, yes.
Check out Jamaica Uncle. He
Yeah,
has
man.
amazing content and a real Jamaican.
Me go sorry say I go leave, man. Because you know what me did want? Because I never go on a horse back before.
Uncle.
I mean, was watching you doing the horse ride.
And I could get it. I could get it because those guys
Yes.
right now is gonna be upset with me.
Yes.
Because they wanted me to come back and me don't get the chance to come
Look
back.
at that. Look at
They're
that.
gonna be upset with me. So I'm just saying,
Yes.
it is what it is. We just
Yes,
some
yes.
things we have to do, and
Yes,
we have to
yes.
just do what we have to do.
just have to do what
So
we have to do.
we're going to keep it moving, Uncle.
Yeah, man, let's do it.
We're going to check by Cameron
Yes.
HQ,
Yes.
where we're going to meet up with Dream Island TV,
Okay.
Ivan and Witness Kitchen,
Yes,
and
yes.
whoever else is there.
Yes.
So I'm just gonna introduce you to them,
Yes.
and then August 1, when you
Yeah,
return, you feel free.
Yeah, man, I think my foot
See,
might be even feel better by that
yeah,
time,
man,
you
I'm
know?
just because it's gonna be something else at
Yes,
Cameron
yes,
place.
yes.
Cameron don't play, no.
I mean, not playing either.
When you say Cameron don't play,
Me not play
Cameron
neither.
is a very hard-working guy. Let me tell you something. I appreciate him so much.
Yeah, man.
Let's hit the road for the next.
Guess what? Guess what? I'll tell you what.
So we're gonna buy water, guys. Now me just say I'm gonna take water. Should I take a water? Let me take one of these.
Let me see tractor. I mean, I have a lawnmower, so they say we shouldn't keep it a road like that.
I love this people.
So we're in the shed now. So
We're giving free
you have a man to
promotion.
work with me. You know?
Yes.
A man that work with me. But I want just one shit as it there for it. And guess what? He said me one way put it up myself. You know? So Thursday we go up there and I put up the one. Thursday we go up there and I put up the one shit as it. Put up the leather, man. You just slide down with me. Nearly broke my foot, man. See that? Nearly broke my foot. You say swell? You will swell worse than this.
Oh.
But we promise this man, say, we got to come check him.
And this man is Everbless Family TV.
I mean,
Yes, man. So check out Everbless Family TV.
Yeah,
man.
man. So we say we have to come support him.
Yes.
And see then, we come see him, we look at all him play football.
Yes.
We come see him, we come support him.
Yes.
I'm glad to meet you, man. You always watch me, eh?
Yes.
First thing I like.
Yes.
Yeah, man, I mean this, man.
Yes. Yeah, man. Yeah. Yeah, man.
You know me name, man. Jamaican Uncle and American Uncle. No, man, me there, man. Me coming from.
Yesterday?
Yesterday, me coming.
Okay.
We fly down yesterday, man. Yeah, man. Big up. Respect, man.
So this is what I have. So what are you drinking, Uncle?
You don't want to tell me before, you know that.
Oh.
Don't give me anything. Let me start. Look here. I'm going to advertise you. They are short yourself a shout out here so many people can come and come. Tell them where you're there.
Yeah.
Give them your phone number if you want to.
All over there.
Yes.
All of the big fish them come and the lobster and the conch them. But right now the storm kind of do a liquor now.
Yes.
You see me, I will take a look for big storm one night here.
Yes.
You see me, shake up at the place.
Yes.
I will not have enough fish now, but Monday, Tuesday, better day, both
Yes.
of them will go back home. Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, and if you come down from overseas anywhere, worldwide, give me the phone number. I'm going to link up with you.
Yes. No, you're just telling me number. Tell me.
Just tell him. Just repeat it. Yeah, man. I'm going to come and support you because why? This is one of my
Supporter.
Yes. I would like to support everybody with support. Yeah, man. Everybody will support me. Every man will support me, I support.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, man. We support everybody.
Yes.
Yeah, man.
That is it, Uncle.
Yeah, man. Take your time and look for it and tell them your number. Turn around this way because I have more life on the side here. No, you come on.
No, show your phone.
No, show it. Just talking on. Just
8372798.
I know, see, I have to put the airport first.
Yeah.
876.
Yes.
Repeat it again. 876.
876 837 2798.
Yeah, man.
And that.
Support this man. Yeah, man.
Yes, you get all of them drinks.
And all of them drinks.
You get Heineken and yeah, man. I see that. Yes. I eat that. So don't miss it. Don't miss it when you come, guys.
Yeah, man, the chef for the kitchen over there.
Kitchen right over there, sir?
Yeah.
Cook right over there.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Pick up yourself, Jay. Pick up yourself.
Come to spend the money with him.
Yes, the other day was a heavyweight. Yes. The time you tell us to see most of them get washed out there. But it's still, but if it wasn't there, then what I would have keep coming here, you know?
And even the other day too, there's a heavyweight pass down by St. Elizabeth.
I see him one minute ago.
And I heard that it turned over all the music box them.
No, Uncle. It was heavier than the storm. Because I was inside of my house. I'm here one glass jack out on the airport. I'm going to go, is that glass we have lean up and one, they blow it down. And
come all the way up here too.
He's coming from Kingston side, travel that way. He travel. He travel. Heavy breeze, much heavier than the storm. And whole heap of tree turnover. So it is what it is. When God a rain, God a rain.
Yeah, man.
Nobody can stop that.
Nobody can stop that.
Never bless people.
Yeah, man.
I'm with Jamaica Uncle today.
Yeah, man. Yeah,
Yeah,
man.
no.
We are here
Yes.
today, man.
I'm going to ask a question today. I wonder if we call him brother, my daddy, or remain uncle. I'm your uncle, yeah, man.
Okay, be uncle, man.
I'm
Keep it
your
uncle. Don't worry with
uncle,
that.
I mean, I want to get
But other words, we are brothers.
Yes, man.
Yeah, man. We are brothers.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. But we just say uncle, but we are
Yes,
brothers.
yes.
Yeah, man. Every
really,
time.
Really appreciate
Yeah,
this
man.
moment.
Yeah,
man.
man. Every time. Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Yes, yes. Yes.
Really appreciate
I subscribe to you. You know that? You ever hear about Jamaican Uncle? Yeah, man.
I told you.
Jamaican Uncle things, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Are you want to go? Dream Island.
Dream
Yeah,
Island
man, we love
TV.
that one.
Yeah.
Oh, we are talking about.
Yeah.
If you know go to school, you know, you can learn.
That's true. That's